TikTok gives you the power to protect your space, but do you remember who is on your block list? Let's find out with few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see block list on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the TikTok app from your home screen. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the TikTok. In the top right corner of your profile screen, tap the three horizontal lines icon. A menu will pop up. Select Settings and Privacy to dive into your account controls. In the account section in the settings, select Privacy to open Detailed Privacy option. In the privacy settings, scroll until you see the block accounts. It's typically near to the bottom. Tap on the block accounts to view the list of the profile you have blocked. If you wish to unblock someone, tap the unblock button next to their name. However, if you want to keep them blocked, do nothing and they will remain restricted. So this is how to see the block list on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.